Hi, I'm Brian. Welcome back to another On the Road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop! Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water.
Today we're looking at a GE dishwasher, and the complaint is that it will not always start a cycle when you press the start button. The tools needed for this repair are a Phillips screwdriver. Alright, so if we go ahead and shut the door here and select any given cycle and then press the start button on this model, it should take off and start filling with water at this point. You can see, nothing happened. After a few seconds now our start light's blinking, and that's the same symptom it would do if we tried pressing it with the door open, and we can show that here. So cancel this out. If we now we have the door open, and if we select a cycle and hit the start button, it's going to do the same thing, to where it's just flashing at us, telling us that it's recognizing the door's not closed. Basically like in a paused mode. If you were to open the door in the middle of a cycle, it's going to flash at you also. So what I think is happening is, and somehow we're not recognizing that, the latch isn't, the door latch or the door strike is not engaging with the latch on the tub side here. So we're going to get in here and take a look at it and see what's going on. Okay, so I found if we move this door around and position it just right and close it, we can get it to start up. So it does appear that indeed it's not engaging that latch, or it's not recognizing that the door is closed to start our cycle most of the time. So looking at our strike here on the door, it appears that there's no damage done to this here. Our door is nice and square, it's not twisted, bent. The unit is level. So our issue is going to be in the latch assembly on the tub side. So for this repair, we're going to need to replace our latch. Okay, so to replace our door latch, we're going to need to pull the dishwasher out a few inches. And to do that, the first thing we need to do is remove our two Phillips mounting screws that hold the dishwasher to the bottom of the countertop. Alright, we shut the breaker off to the dishwasher, and now we can go ahead and pull it out to get to our latch assembly. Alright, so here's our latch on the top. Alright, now we can just release, pushing on the tab to release the wire harness. There's two Phillips screws that mount the latch in place. We'll go ahead and remove those. And if the rack is in your way with your screwdriver, you may need to remove it. All right, now we can remove our old latch. We're going to take this piece of tape off of here from the old one. We'll transition it over to the new one. Our new latch here. Go ahead and position it in here. Get that piece of tape back on it. And now we can reconnect our wire harness. And this piece of tape just goes over to the insulation blanket to hold it in place. We can reinstall our two Phillips screws. So if we go ahead and select any cycle, close the door, hit the start button, and right away it's filling with water. So already a good indication that the latch took care of our issue for us. We're just going to try it out a couple more times. Open the door, it's blinking, letting us know it's paused, and if we shut the door, we're going to have to press the start button again. and it came right back on again. So this latch did take care of our issue. Okay, so the issue was that the cycles would not start all the time when we press the start button. So we replaced our door latch on this GE dishwasher, and that will complete your repair.
Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.